Rory's got a fish on. Little smallmouth, looks like. First fish of the evening. Gonna have a wade here in a creek in southwest Indiana, or excuse me, southeast Indiana, and Rory's got a very typical creek bass. Looks like it's about 7 or 8 inches off. It's a drum.
Looks like a pretty good size, though.
This is not who I wanted. It's a drum. Appears it is it's a crappie on a crawdad colored crankbait. Have the band strike up Who'da Thunk It. Nice jump.
That looks like a smallmouth.
Spotted bass.
Oh no, it's a spotted bass, yeah.
Well, Roar,
Nice little bass.
spotted bass. He did not hit it subtle, he hit it hard. But Roar, that rock ledge that I was talking about right through here, that's where he came off of and hit this. He's about 12, I guess, 12 inches or so. Zach's got a little smallie. Not that little. That's about the same as Rory's. As good as we've caught tonight. Not a giant, but a nice creek smallmouth.
He knocked my
grub
off.
Well, while you redo that, I may throw one in there. All right. Double. Yeah. Roar, I got a smallie, and Zach's got his third straight rock bass. He jumped. Oh, there we go. That's the nicest smallmouth of the night.
There's a good one. Oh, he's still got some juice.
He ain't done yet, but use your net if you need to, or
Eventually, I was going to catch something besides a rock bass.
look at how pretty he is too, with the vertical bars. Hold him up. That's a gorgeous smallie. He's 13, maybe 14.
Yeah.